How would you like to make money when you're simply browsing the internet, searching for different things? Well, it's completely possible with the new search engine that's just launching. It's currently in the pre-launch phase, and it's called Zaori. And I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that right. It's actually based from a company in Spain, so they probably pronounce it way different than that. But that's just what I'm going to say. It's a really neat concept. Basically, it leverages both Bing and Google on the back end. Whenever you're making a search, it's going to use those search engines to feed their information. However, when you make a search, they will actually pay you every time that you search. Why? Because they have ads on the page. When you make a search, it's actually going to look like this, where it shows the information from your search, but it has like a full background of an ad and advertising over on the right hand side. Now, you're not going to be creating full-time income at all with this, but you can make a little bit of money, a little bit of change every time you do a search. And Google sure as heck isn't paying you, so why not? Now, full disclosure, this is in pre-launch, so they have not yet made payments out to people. So I can't do the research showing you that people have been paid out because it just isn't there yet. Everything really kicks off for them May 6th, as you can see here on their website. I have snooped around a bit though, and it is something that definitely is worth checking out. Now, all you're doing is using it instead of Google. It's really not much of an inconvenience or anything like that, and you're making something for doing so, which is nice. And they're not necessarily asking for, a bunch of your personal information or anything that makes it weird and like they're trying to get something out of you. They're just paying you for using their search engine because they're putting ads in front of you. Now, on top of being paid just for using the search engine, they also will pay you to refer users and advertisers to their platform. So if you do YouTube videos, if you have a blog, if you're doing other stuff, creating content online, it might be a great thing for you to check out from that perspective as well. Another income stream that you can add to your portfolio. So to get started, you simply want to click on this login/register button and go through this process here. Now on this page, the first time that you're here, you definitely need to click to register, and then you'll be filling out your information here. Now please note, in this ambassador's code information, go ahead and grab the code that's below this video in the description. Greatly appreciate that. I'll put it up on the screen here as well, but put this code in as it's essentially affiliate marketing. You get paid for referring people to their system. Once you've created that account, you can actually see in the bottom right corner how much you've earned so far using their search engine. Now, if you want to actually refer people to their platform, click on that ambassadors tab. This gives you some great information on becoming an ambassador. They also have a nice little video that explains it some more. The basics of it is that you're going to get an ambassador's code, and when people sign up to their system with that, you get paid. When advertisers sign up with it, you get paid as well. So go ahead and share it. Now, another thing that's great about this, if you go over to the FAQ, it actually is worldwide. Anywhere in the world if you're 18 years of age or older, which is really important because I know a lot of the stuff that we talk about online is limited to the US or Canada, that sort of thing. So this is open anywhere in the world. If you're curious more about how all of it works with their search engine, go ahead, read through this. It's some great information for you. Now, this is important as well. They actually have 7 ways for you to get paid. The first way is just seeing that background image that appears whenever you search. Plus, any videos that show up, you get paid for as well. You can add more money by visiting websites that show up on the websites pane on the right, or for watching full videos, filling out any contact forms, conducting any surveys, or by referring other people or advertisers to the search engine. Now, this is really important, how you actually get paid. Now, in order to cash out, you have to have a minimum of €3. And €3 is actually $3.35 USD. So just so you kind of understand, it's a very low threshold for getting paid, which is nice. Now, you just can go in, you request the money, and they will pay you, they say, either through PayPal or for transferring directly to your bank account. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's be smart about this. PayPal is going to be a safer method for any sorts of transfer. I would not give anyone my bank account information on a site like this. So use PayPal. I think it's going to be a safer option for you and just smarter all around. Now, how quickly is the turnaround? Once you've made the request, up to 1 working day for you to receive the payment. Really simple. So with that, I do want to point out May 6th is when all of this kicks off, when you actually will start getting paid. And we are in currently 2019, so May 6th, 2019. So if you're watching this later, it's already available for you. If you're watching this on the day that is published, then you have a few more days just to get signed up and to get your ambassador code and just get ready to go. Now, like I said, you aren't going to create any sort of full-time income with this. It's just a nice way to get some extra cash in your pocket for something that you're going to do anyway. So why not get paid for it? Now, if you want to really truly learn how to create full-time income, retire from your job, bring your spouse home, financial freedom, time freedom type income income solely online, then you definitely want to check out the link at the very top of the description. This is a training that's going to teach you exactly how to do that. How do you go from 0 to 6 figures online and then build from 6 figures and beyond? So click that link to get access to that right away. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Please know that we are rooting for you. We're here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So make sure to subscribe so we can help you do just that. Head over to the video on the upper right corner of the screen, and we'll see you soon.